My target for YouTube earnings on a daily basis has been not less than $50. But because you might be a beginner, or you might have never accepted it that with YouTube, I mean AdSense earning, you can earn even more than $50 in a day. So let's put at $30 on a day. So when you target at $30 on a daily basis, it means you're going to get 30, let me say maybe we can say your very most active days are 25 out of 30 days. If you're very active like me, that is 30 by 25 days. So it means you'll be having $750. And we're putting on $750 basing on two things. Either we are basing on a content that was made before, that is greener content, and also the content that you're uploading on a daily basis or 3 times in a week. So it is possible you can get $750 monthly. That is, if you don't want to go stress yourself for $50 in a day that you're posting, you're engaging so much. So we have been telling you about this, and today, being a Sunday, I'm going to simplify this thing for you, how it is easy. The disclaimer, you guys, I want you, as you watch, I want you to remove something from your mind. AdSense earning on YouTube is not by views. It is by different factors. One, I've been telling you about niche. I've been telling you about the origin of people who are watching, your content, that the way your content attracts the advertisers, which ends up being the RPM. When your RPM is high, you find also the money that you're going to get, the CPM, is very high. Now that we know that it's not about the views, it's not about the views for you to get some good amount of money on YouTube. How do we start doing this money? There are a lot of questions that most people have been discouraged, yes, and most people have given up with YouTube because it will give them, when you've not yet known the code, it will give you 000. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can comfortably make $750. That is, if I put a rate of $30 on a daily basis for 25 days, how do you comfortably get this money with YouTube? And on this one, I'm talking about AdSense earning. When I'm talking about only AdSense earning, I'm meaning the people who are being paid directly by only YouTube YPP program. When I'm talking about that program, this is whereby you have to be monetized. You have to get 4,000 watch hours. You get 1,000 subscribers. Then the content that you post is the one that feeds you this money I'm talking about. So this money, purely, there is no for affiliate marketing, there is no for like selling of products, product on demand, there is no any maybe brand sponsorship. It is only AdSense earning, whereby you wake up and say you have 1,000 views and your RPM is this. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever watching us from. Please welcome back to Market Show, and this video is a mind-blowing video that you shouldn't miss at all. If you're a YouTuber or if you're a person with a smartphone, please lend me your ears. You might be a beginner or you might be you have been doing it, but this is really friendly on how you should do it. Don't be intimidated by views. Don't be lied by people who say that without views you cannot get money. Sorry for this. I've been earning this money on a daily basis, which results for me to get my money on a monthly basis. I always tell you that YouTube has made me forget waiting for salary. Gone are the days when I would be sitting and I wait for salary. When the salary is coming, you find I've already budgeted it for like nothing. But it has changed my mindset, and to the extent that I don't wait for salary. Instead, I work towards this money for daily basis. Being a YouTuber or content creator, adding value means a lot for you and me since we have a smartphone. Now, for you to determine that really you can make this money, you have to do different things, and of which I'm going to break for you down. I'll not repeat the first one. It is for you to meet YouTube monetization requirements. And the moment you are enrolled or accepted to be in YPP program, what next? This is where we go wrong. Most people, when they hear that, you can earn money, when you see that video, I'm earning $1,000 on a daily basis, you go to see proof, you go to see people earning, you feel you're pushed to start. But that is not the only, it's not about that. There is work you have to do. So the first thing I want you to do, or you want you to know out of these 5 points, I want you to know that with this, you have to follow YouTube content and ad policies. Why should you follow this? Because if you don't follow, you're going to get copyrights, you're going to get violations. I go to these, some of the things, and they in turn affect your earnings, because there's a way they slow the recommendation of your videos. So if you want to earn this 750, you make sure that you are following YouTube monetization guidelines and content policies. Now, apart from this also, there is something that you have to be focused. When I'm talking about being focused, you have to make sure that you are giving the content, the what you're giving out right now is valuable to the viewers. When we are talking about value to the viewers, you'll be shocked that there are some times when you totally see people will come watch your videos, but they will not engage. So there is something that we need to step up. Because from my survey right now, as when I use myself as an example, the videos which have been highly engaged, they have given enough money. So I always sit down, only that it's time. We find we don't have that time to really deep down, go to insights and see the videos which they have been engaging so much. You go to the videos, you get numerous, more than 7K comments, engagement. But there are other videos which are very plain. So that's why some people are prompted to bring clickbait, of which I don't encourage it. Because if you bring clickbait titles and even thumbnail, it means you're going to be violating the rules and policies of YouTube. So wherever you are, sit down, know how can I bring that engaging content. Then apart from engaging content, at least you know that if it is being engaged, it will be extendable, as in people will watch more. Then also, what you need to focus on for you to get this $750, you have to use SEO to increase visibility. This SEO has been part of something that has helped me so much. You will see someone saying, I'm a small girl with a bigger God. So me, I always say I'm a small girl with small views but with bigger money. When you are using SEOs, they increase visibility. How do they do it? They optimize your titles, your description, and other things. Me, I'm the living testimony, I tell you, because I have experience. When I consider the videos that have not optimized, like last month, I didn't do optimization. With this month, I've not done that intense optimization like before because of my schedule. And this brings, the payments last month was high, but for this month, it was very low because I did not concentrate on it. When I'm talking at this month, I mean the money I'm going to receive this month. That means I worked it last month. Then we go to upload consistently and study analytics. You guys, uploading consistently, I know it is a secret. Most people, they are going to tell you, please upload, be consistent. But you feel it is, how do I get that time to be consistent on uploading my data, on uploading my videos? But if you know you're focused on something, you will have to upload. Just imagine, I've told you, if you just focus on getting $10 to $30 per day, you are sure that you're going to get $750 in a month. I want you to change that money into your currency and put for me down the things you think you can do with that money. That is huge money in your currency. Now, if you can wake up every day going to work, why not fix some time and make sure that you're uploading on a daily basis? You guys, this has been Christine, but I want everybody that is watching closely, I want you to go down and write what have you noticed that in these points have been very, familiar with them. I've been using them so much. Which one have you noticed? Thank you very much.